Hi and welcome to Ginger Pop Kitchen. Have you ever tried delicious s'mores pie? Because it's so delicious, you'll be coming back for more. Get it? S'more? Okay, anyway, so yeah, let's get started. You are gonna love this easy layers of marshmallow, chocolate, graham crackers, and flaky buttery crust. I'll go ahead and pop a list of the recipe right here and in the description box below. Getting started, you want to use whatever chocolate you have on hand. Here I'm using dark and milk and a pie crust. Make your own. Use a store-bought. Bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Pre-bake, and then layer it with the chocolate and then the marshmallows. Mini marshmallows, large marshmallows, whatever you have. And then you want to go ahead and bake it till the marshmallows are nice and golden and toasty on top. After that, you want to layer a nice even layer of graham cracker crust over top of the marshmallows and kind of press into it to create a smooth surface for the melted chocolate. In a double boiler or a microwave, melt milk, dark, or combination of what you have, and then spread it evenly over the top of the pie for a smooth, even surface. Top off with your favorite toppings. Mini marshmallows, rainbow sprinkles are fun. This is a fun family dessert, and you could set it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and slice into it. Enjoy it while it's nice and warm still and gooey with a fork, or you can let it sit for a few hours and then cut it and kind of just enjoy it as a traditional s'mores with your hands. Let me know if you try this recipe in the comments below, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every Monday. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.